Did you know that the average person spends 2 days of their life just packing for trips? That's right, a whole 48 hours dedicated to the art of fitting clothes, shoes, and toiletries into a suitcase. That's a lot of time. Think about it, 2 entire days that could be spent doing something far more enjoyable or productive. Imagine what you could do with an extra 48 hours. The possibilities are endless. You could catch up on your favorite TV series, read that book you've been putting off, or even start a new hobby. You could learn to play the ukulele, bake a 5-tier cake, or finally organize your sock drawer. Yes, that sock drawer that's been a mess for years could finally get the attention it deserves. But fear not, my friends, packing doesn't have to be a time suck. With a few clever hacks, you can reclaim those precious hours and arrive at your destination relaxed and ready to go. Imagine stepping off the plane, train, or car, feeling refreshed and excited rather than frazzled and exhausted from the packing ordeal. Packing hacks are like magic tricks for your suitcase. They make the stress disappear and turn chaos into order. They make the stress disappear. No more last-minute panic or forgotten items. So, ditch the packing anxiety and get ready to become a packing ninja. With a little planning and some smart techniques, you can pack like a pro. Your future self will thank you. Not only will you save time, but you'll also start your trip on the right foot, ready to enjoy every moment of your adventure. Use packing cubes to keep everything organized. Roll your clothes to save space. And always make a checklist to ensure you don't forget anything important. These simple tips can transform your packing experience from a dreaded chore into a smooth, efficient process. So go ahead, embrace the packing hacks and make the most of your travel time. Happy travels, and may your suitcase always be perfectly packed. What exactly are packing hacks? They're like secret weapons for travelers. These clever tips and tricks help you pack more efficiently. You'll save space in your suitcase and reduce packing time. Imagine this. You're gliding through the airport effortlessly, wheeling your perfectly packed carry-on. No check bag fees for you. You're a packing rock star. With packing hacks, you can say goodbye to overpacking woes and hello to stress-free travel. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an empty suitcase, feeling the weight of the journey ahead, wondering how on earth we're going to fit everything in. The stress of packing can be overwhelming, especially when you have so much to bring and so little space. Then there's the dreaded moment when you realize you've forgotten your toothbrush. Again, it's always the small essential items that slip our minds, isn't it? Overpacking is a classic packing problem. We think we need more than we actually do, leading to a suitcase that just won't close. We stuff our suitcases with just-in-case outfits, only to wear the same 3 things the entire trip. It's a common mistake, driven by the fear of not having enough options. And who can forget the frustration of a disorganized suitcase where finding anything feels like a scavenger hunt? Digging through piles of clothes, trying to locate that one item you need. But don't worry, my friends, there's hope. Packing doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a few simple hacks, you can conquer these packing challenges and travel like a pro. From rolling your clothes to using packing cubes, there are many strategies to maximize space and keep your belongings organized. Start with a checklist to ensure you don't forget the essentials. Plan your outfits ahead of time to avoid overpacking. Use packing cubes to keep everything in its place. With these tips, you'll be able to pack efficiently and stress-free. So next time you face that empty suitcase, you'll know exactly what to do. Happy travels! Cube it, roll it, check it, packing hacks that work. Let's talk solutions. Packing cubes are a game changer. These zippered fabric containers compress your clothes and keep everything organized. No more digging through a messy suitcase. Another pro tip, roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves space and prevents wrinkles. It's like magic. And speaking of magic, have you ever tried a packing checklist? This handy tool ensures you never forget an essential item again. These simple hacks will revolutionize your packing game. You'll be the envy of all your fellow travelers. The wear your bulkiest items hack, a game changer. This next hack is my personal favorite. Ready for it? It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to maximize your packing space. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of stuffing those heavy boots and thick sweaters into your suitcase, wear them. That's right, rock those hiking boots and that chunky sweater. Not only will you save precious space in your luggage, but you'll also be prepared for any chilly airplane cabins. You'll save tons of space in your suitcase and stay comfy on the flight. It's a win-win. Imagine having extra room for souvenirs or other essentials you might pick up during your trip. Just imagine the surprised looks on people's faces when you strut through the airport in your full travel attire. You'll be a trendsetter. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. This hack is especially helpful for winter trips when bulky coats and boots can take up your entire suitcase. Winter gear is notoriously space consuming, but this trick makes it manageable. So, layer up and embrace the bulk. Not only will you be saving space, but you'll also be ensuring that you have all your warmest items readily available. It's practical and stylish. Remember, the key to smart packing is thinking outside the box. By wearing your bulkiest items, you're not just saving space, you're also making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. So next time you pack for a trip, give this hack a try. You'll be amazed at how much easier it makes your journey. Happy travels! Remember these hacks. Thank me later. Let's recap those life-changing packing hacks, shall we? Packing cubes, your new best friends for organization and space saving. Rolling your clothes, the secret to wrinkle-free packing. Packing checklists, your insurance policy against forgotten essentials. And of course, the wear your bulkiest items hack, the ultimate space-saving solution and a surefire way to make a statement at the airport. These hacks will save you time, stress, and maybe even some checked bag fees. You're welcome. Share your packing secrets. Now it's your turn. What are your go-to packing hacks? Share your wisdom with the world. Do you have a secret technique for folding shirts? Maybe you've invented a revolutionary way to pack shoes. Whatever your packing superpower is, let's hear it. Tag me in your packing tips on social media and let's create a community of savvy packers. Happy travels, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon for more travel tips.